There is a general tendency these days to overcomplicate absolutely everything. And I can tell you from my experience, the simple solution is usually the one that you're going to be able to pull off with the least amount of complication. If you get into solutions and technologies and strategies that are incredibly complex, that have tons of moving parts and require lots of things, lots of steps to be pulled off effectively in order for the overall thing to operate, you're probably going to have issues. And what do I mean by this? What am I referring to specifically? Well, I'm referring to, first of all, sales. Lots and lots and lots of people, particularly those who haven't done a lot of sales, think of sales in a very academic, very technical way. They're thinking of it in a way almost like it's a paint by numbers, like it's a director set or a jigsaw puzzle, when it's not. It's really just the process of actively socially engaging with somebody and persuading them to take an action, which is to buy from you. People also incredibly overcomplicate the systems at their businesses. They get sucked into the sales presentation from one system or another, and over time they end up with 10 different systems at their little agency, and it would take them all day just to be able to, utilize the 10% of the features that they're using in these 10 systems, as opposed to keeping it simple, keeping their costs down, and making sure that what they do have they use to the max and actually get the results they need at the end of the day. I think a part of all this, though, is really just modern technology. It's just kind of where we are as a society, is that everything is complex, complex, complex. I mean, there's 50 types of ice cream out there now. There's, 500 types of breakfast cereal. There's 50 ways to make a coffee, probably 100 ways to make a coffee. Things are getting complicated across the boards. And so when people are building their businesses, their mentality that they're bringing to the table there is one of complexity. And I think that it's very pernicious. I've never seen somebody set up a simple functional system and then have horrible results. But I've seen so many people go and do implementations of complex systems and have problems. And I like to, if I can give any advice to new resellers, people who are, just getting started in this industry, use the free tools, use the simple tools, set yourself up, learn the ropes. And then if you want to make a jump to, a more complex CRM, or, you want to have a marketing automation system, or you want to, implement something at your business that's going to help you out, then you can do that knowing what you're doing and understanding that you're not wasting your money. The same can be said for email marketing systems, websites themselves. Just about anything can be made overly complicated. And I like to tell people, don't overcomplicate things. Keep it simple. Remember the fundamental, too. Your business, if nothing is being sold, is a hobby. I mean, literally, it's a hobby until you sell something. So focus on sales, focus on marketing, focus on making money, focus on turning your business profitable, and worry about all the other ways that you can spend money on the business and spend time down the road. Because trust me, as your business gets more and more clients, you're going to have less and less time to sit there and mess around. And all of this, again, and I've brought this up in many videos, is why I'm such a fan of Smart Sheets, because it's an application that does a heck of a lot of different stuff, yet it's fundamentally very, very, very simple. It's, as complicated, maybe as complicated as, Excel. And it is a system I recommend. Run on something like that, really simple. Keep your CRM system simple. Keep your stuff simple. Keep yourself from getting bogged down in technology. Focus on the fundamentals. You'll be just fine. Anyhow, if you want more advice from Jake here at Rocket Driver, and you want to check out this channel on a frequent basis, subscribe to us. Drop a like button, or like down below, and click that bell to be notified when we drop new vids. Do it all the time. See you in the next one.